Meanwhile, thousands of Tennesseans accused of crimes have not had their day in court because the pandemic canceled all jury trials. Now that's about to change as well. But as News Channel 5's Nick Barris tells us, going back to court now is not without controversy.
For the first time in more than a year, criminal court trials are expected to begin here at the Birch Building in downtown Nashville next week. That means thousands of the accused will finally begin to see their day in court. But it's not going to come without challenges.
Now we are officially a year behind. We have not had a criminal jury trial in this county in what amounts to almost an entire year.
So, as you might imagine, there is a huge backlog, and now the Tennessee Supreme Court is giving the green light for trials to resume April 1st. News Channel 5 legal analyst Nick Leonardo says summonses are now being sent out to citizens to fill out jury pools. That's actually happening now in court districts across the state. You soon could be called for jury duty to hear cases in what is a real time of urgency.
I would say it's a constitutional crisis of immense proportions, the kind of which I've never seen in my lifetime.
Here's how it will work. Jury pools will now meet in larger rooms and everyone will be required to wear a mask. This is an issue for some lawyers who say the masks inhibit their ability to choose jurors since the masks will conceal facial expressions, often part of the selection process. Then when a trial does start, witnesses must testify live in the courtroom, no electronic testimony.
The Supreme Court has said that, especially recently, that Zoom conferences like we're doing here does not satisfy the right of confrontation, or that is of the criminally accused to confront the witnesses against them.
All of this in a pandemic begs the question, what if someone gets sick with COVID? A juror or a lawyer? All right, does everyone quarantine? Will there be a mistrial? Well, we're going to find out, but I can tell you, the criminal court trials are expected to begin the first week in April. Nick Barris, News Channel 5.